Meet Dr. Norman Walker, the pioneer of raw juicing, natural healing, and a lifestyle that defied aging. He believed in the power of nature, the purity of raw foods, and the incredible benefits of fresh juices. Join us as we uncover the life, secrets, and legacy of Dr. Norman Walker, one of the greatest health visionaries of our time. Dr. Norman Walker, the pioneer of raw juicing and longevity, covers his early life, research, inventions like the Norwalk juicer, and his impact on natural health and raw food diets. Dr. Norman Walker's Secrets to a Long and Healthy Life, a chronological video highlighting key milestones, his shift to raw foods, development of juice therapy, and books on natural healing. The truth about Dr. Norman Walker. Did he really live 100 plus years? Discusses claims about his lifespan, his lifestyle, and the science behind his health principles. Dr. Norman Walker's Natural Health Revolution uses animations to depict his discoveries, struggles, and contributions to the health industry. Health Lessons from Dr. Norman Walker's Best Books summarizes key lessons from books like Fresh Vegetable and Fruit Juices and Colon Health. Health Lessons from Dr. Norman Walker's Best Books summarizes key lessons from books like Fresh Vegetable and Fruit Juices and Colon Health. Thanks for watching this video.